Changing your primary email on BigONE is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the BigONE website and log in using your current credentials. Ensure that you have your two-factor authentication method ready if you have it enabled. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is typically found in the profile menu, which may be represented by your username or an icon. Step 3. Select email settings. Within the account settings, find the section dedicated to email settings. This is where you can view your current primary email and make changes. Step 4. Update your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use this work to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering your new email, you will likely need to confirm the change by clicking a verification link sent to your new email address. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on BigONE should be successfully updated. Always remember to keep your contact information current for security and account recovery purposes.